Good morning, children. Our next topic which we are covering is market equilibrium or price determination. In the book, the name of the chapter is price determination. It means how the price can be determined. So it is determined on the basis of market equilibrium. Market equilibrium means where the point of where the demand and supply, the quantity demanded and quantity supplied, becomes exactly equal. So you can see this curve, the supply D represents the demand curve, S represents the supply curve. The point of intersection of both will be the price of the given product. So at y-axis, the point which is coming there is price. Now imagine if there is a shift in demand and let us see what the effect on price. You can see the market equilibrium lies with P. जो छोटा p है वो प्राइस है, जो बड़ा p है वो एक्सिस है, y एक्सिस. अब डिमांड राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट हो गई. इट मीन्स डिमांड इज इंक्रीजिंग बट सप्लाई डज नॉट. यू कैन सी द डॉटेड लाइन ऑन डिमांड ओनली, नॉट द सप्लाई. So what is its effect? The supply remains same but the demand is increasing. So when demand is increasing and no change in supply, the price P1 is the new price and P1 is ahead of P. इसका मतलब है कि when supply remains same and demand shift to rightward, the price of the product will increase. In the second curve you can see if the demand curve shifts leftward. So when the demand curve shifts leftward, you can see the P1 is the new price which is coming down. इसका मतलब ये है कि when there is no change in supply but there is a change in demand, that is the demand gets reduced, तो automatically supply ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. In that case the price of the product get reduced. अब इसी तरह से हम सप्लाई को देखें तो शिफ्ट इन सप्लाई एंड इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन प्राइस. तो ऊपर अगर हम देखेंगे, सी हियर दैट द सप्लाई इज शिफ्टिंग राइटवर्ड्स. एस डैश इज द न्यू सप्लाई. सो हाउ वी विल रीड दिस, दैट इन द मार्केट इक्विलिब्रियम देयर इज नो चेंज इन द डिमांड, स्टिल द सप्लाई इज इंक्रीजिंग. It means the supply becomes more than that of demand. As a result, price will shift from P to P1. That is, price will reduce. On the other hand, if supply shifts leftward, that is S dash is our new supply. So P is the given price at market equilibrium, but supply gets reduces and demand remains same. It means more demand is there as compared to supply, so price will shift from P to P1, that is will be higher. Then अभी तक हमने देखा डिमांड शिफ्ट और सप्लाई शिफ्ट. नाउ वी विल सी द साइमल्टेनियस शिफ्ट. And in simultaneous shift, there may be many possible graphs. Around 10 to 12 graphs are there at different conditions. I am just giving you one example. The other graphs you can refer the book or take it as a task to draw. What may be the condition? I will be explaining you right now. देखो, साइमल्टेनियस शिफ्ट का मतलब है कि यहाँ पर डिमांड और सप्लाई दोनों एक साथ चेंज हो रहे हैं. सी अवर डी एंड एस, द पॉइंट इज profit price. Okay, this is the point which is the price of the product. Now demand shifts rightward and supply also shift rightward, but you can see here the demand raised little bit but supply raised more. Okay, demand increases only little, you can see the difference, but supply increases more than that of the demand increase. As a result, price will go down. If the demand is increased, suppose 10%, and exactly 10% the supply would have been increased, so price will remain same. So there are many conditions out of it. For example, demand increases but supply decreases. Demand increases more but supply decreases less, or vice versa. So there are many cases of simultaneous shift. Kindly go through the book also once. There are many graphs you will find, and all the graphs you study, you will find the different pattern of price change. That is what the simultaneous shift is all about. Thank you.